How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be the tribute video to it's going to be Veronica, Bella, and Keith, BK's brother. I'm going to do them all three in this video right here because, guys, I'm sorry, but I just do not have time to make separate videos with my work schedule and everything going on. But I've been promising you guys that I would get the what I'm going to build out there. And before I get started on that, I was going to tell Xavier that I'm not going to get that car done anytime soon. We got the F1 buddy build going on right now. Well, I'm in the middle of building that thing, and one of the exhaust pipes, or whatever you want to call it, you got like a 4 or 5, they're intricate, you got 4 or 5, 6 pieces to build these exhaust pipes, and one whole section is gone, and I've looked all over, I cannot find it nowhere. So with that being said, I just kind of put it all back in the box, and I've got the number for Tamiya USA, and I've ordered parts from them before, so I'm just going to this is Sunday, so I can't call right now, but I will call probably on my next day off, which will be Wednesday, and I will get that ordered. Of course, I'll have to order the whole parts tree. I can't just order one part. But so that's put off until that is come in. So, but with that being said, so now I got time to do these tribute builds, and with that being said, I can only build one at a time, and I'm really pressed for time on top of that. So the first one, what I'm going to build, and hopefully it'll be a pretty quick build, is I'm going to build the vintage 1963 AMT customizing kit. You can see, yeah, 1963 Corvette convertible. That is going to be for Veronica, and now the next one is going to be for Bella. That is Andrew at Aries Styrene. That is his life partner. And it's going to go ahead, and I'm going to have that. It's going to be Butch's build together. And I hate to do it like that, but like I said, I'm really pressed. But I know Butch, he loves his gassers. Bella loves Volkswagens. So what better to do than this vintage kit is the vintage IMC Volkswagen. It's a 19, I don't know if it has what actual year it is, but it's a 60s Volkswagen, and I'm going to build the gasser version. It might not have the same decals on it or whatever, but I'm going to build the gasser version for Bella and Keith, and I hope y'all like it, and I hope that's alright. And if for some reason it's not alright, please tell me in the comments, and I won't do that. I'm not trying to be disrespectful or anything. I'm just the press for time thing, my work schedule, and I got one bench and I don't have any other, so it's just hard to, I can't do more than one model at a time. So with the buddy builds and everything going on, I've just not had a lot of time, and like I said, I'm not being disrespectful, and if I am, guys, tell me. You're not going to hurt my feelings, but I just don't want to hurt their feelings. But that's the builds I have planned. And the Corvette should be pretty simple. I mean, because it's old vintage AMT, probably one piece body stuff, or bottom and stuff like that. Now, of course, I have the engine detail and stuff. And then the gasser ought to be a pretty quick build. I think it has a Hemi in it. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. I appreciate y'all, and Xavier, I appreciate you doing the buddy build with me on the Formula One cars. And like I said, as soon as I can get that part in, we'll get that going again. But until then, it's kind of on hold, at least on my end. You can still finish yours up, but I'm not going to go forward until I get that part, because for some reason if they don't have it in stock, then I'm gonna have to pick a different car and just totally put that one up. But I got lots of Formula Ones to choose from. So, but I've gotten progress done on this one, so I hate to start over. I'd rather just get the part in. But for some reason they can't do that part because it's discontinued or something, then we will pick another one and then I'll just go forward with that. But our buddy build would still be on. Like I said, so if y'all like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Sean, I'm out.